1.3 billion tons of food is wasted each year globally, of an economical value of $1.2 trillion a year. That's equal to the weight of 25,000 Titanic ships. In Jordan, approximately 34% of total meat supply is lost through different stages of the supply chain, costing the country $105 million each year. In the US, 36% of fruits and vegetables are estimated to be lost within the supply chain. The journey a product takes from farm to fork is a complex one. With many parties involved in the supply chain, this makes miscommunication one of the main reasons of food wastage in the supply chain. So we thought something should be done to break the cycle and minimize the food loss throughout the food industry. Therefore, we wanted to create an innovative solution that reduces food waste created by different levels of the supply chain so that financial losses and environmental damage are reduced to help sustain the already scarce resources of our planet.
Enter Paragon. Paragon is a platform that utilizes blockchain technology, which allows stakeholders in the food supply chain to optimize their communication by digitizing the information relating to the food supply chains, allowing businesses to have access to information they can fully put their trust in. Using IoT devices, sensors, and control systems, Paragon provides constant updates on the amounts of foods produced, needed, sold, and left over. This set of data is accompanied by the production and expiration dates of each item being produced, as well as a tracking number which allows tracking of each item in every level of the supply chain, whether it's the producer, the manufacturer, or the retailer. This way, supply and demand will be fully synchronized between those businesses, significantly minimizing the amounts of food waste. But this raises the question of how the retailers will be able to keep up with the demands of the consumers. This is why we have developed our supply and demand algorithm for retailers, which we have tested on 60,000 sales records from 77 different supermarkets. We have found that our algorithm is highly accurate, as a supermarket with an average sale of $10,000 per month would only lose $55 in that same month due to ordering inaccuracies using our algorithm. Through our platform, we are targeting retail, manufacturing, farms, and food services, which are responsible for 63% of the total world food waste. 24% of all this food waste is caused by excess food being produced.
By logging into our platform, you'll notice a dashboard, product tracking menu, as well as total performance measures. Within the dashboard, you'll have access to daily statistics of the products, manufacturers, and retailers. This will include the amounts and percentages of what's produced, needed, sold, and what's left over at the end of the day. The product tracking menu will showcase the production and expiration dates, as well as the process that each product goes through from start to finish. Our total performance measures will highlight the performance of the entire supply chain and how the supply and demand is synchronized between every level and the waste generated throughout the process. Paragon offers many features, starting with supply and demand management and forecasting, dynamic pricing for retailers, and easy inventory tracking. Overall, Paragon will reduce food waste, cut down on logistical costs, save shelf space for retailers, improve the food quality, as well as save time and resources due to the automation of so many tasks.
We, Team Paragon, have come a long way to create our solution. With our knowledge, hard work, and determination, we believe that we can leave an impact on how the supply chain deals with food. With the help of IREX, we can eliminate food waste, waste that our planet must endure.
It's our last meeting. We will miss these weekly exchanges we've had with you. I'm speaking for all of our group here, both sides.
This was Team Paragon. Join us today.